Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3, A True Story of Sea Turtle, written by Bhau Katdare. Yesterday we have seen there are seven types of sea turtles, and which of them, five of them found in India, and olive ridley is the most important, which is found in the entire coastline of Maharashtra. And there are also green turtle and hawkbills also found on coastline of Maharashtra. And yesterday also we have seen the means that female turtles, when she reaches the maturity, that time nearly after a gap of 15 years of her birth, she came to that same place, and the female comes on the shore after the 50 years, and she lays eggs and immediately return to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. And now next, the eggs hatch after a period of 40 to 45 to 50 days. Means the period of that hatch to egg, it is 45 to 50 days. Using natural heat, means it is not hatched by the turtle, but it is hatched by the natural heat. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchling in the deep sea. And while after hatchling also and while hatch also, there are innumerable, means number of or countless dangers are there. Countless dangers are await the little hatchling, waiting the little hatchling, okay, in the deep sea. Means in the deep sea there are many dangers in front of that little turtle, and they have to face them all on their own. And these dangerous, they are faces on their own, okay. Their survival rate is therefore as low as just one or two turtles out of a thousand. And that's why, because of this innumerable danger, their survival rate, means their existence in life death rate is on very low, and it is just only one or two out of a thousand turtle, okay. Means when there is a thousand turtle take a birth, only from them to one or two turtles they can means live, okay, and others means they cannot exist in life. Turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. They occupy an important place in marine ecology. Means in the ecology, turtles function, it is very important because they keep the sea clean. Because whatever there are many means whatever their insects or some animal related to that they are eat, and they keep the sea clean, and they occupy an important place in marine ecology. And that's why it is very important. The place is very important in marine ecology. Marine means related to sea, oceans, ecology, okay. Considering all these factors, it is vital to undertake the protection on a large scale. If you means that's why we have to consider all these factors. It is very important. We have to means it is very necessary to undertake the protection on a large scale. Means we have to take the project to protection on a large scale. Vital means necessary. After the success at Vedas, we started implementing the project in other places too. And that successful project of Vedas, this Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra organization, they started implementing the project in other places too. Implementing means carry out or carry out to do. Carry out to do the project in other places too. Means after successing the Vedas project, they carry out to do the project in other places of coastline of Maharashtra. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtles' nests were found. And within 5 years, this organization, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. This organization surveyed the entire means whole coastline of Maharashtra. And protection was offered in 80 of the village where turtle nests were found. And there are 80 villages on the coastline where the turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs. And strategy means plan or action. This organization's plan was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the egg. The plan is to involve those who are stealing the egg. Then to train them and involve them in the work of protection. They give the training to them and involve in the project of protection. We started the Turtle Friend Awards, means Kasomitra Award, to engage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. And that's why they started the Turtle Friend Award. Because of that, many people they can take part of the protection campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtle was prepared to spread the message. And also this organization made the comprehensive booklet, means information of turtle related to this, and also they made the short film on the turtle protection of turtle to spread the message of to protect and conserve the turtle. Means like this way they made the they undertook the project of first they successfully completed the project at Velas, and after that they took the project entire coastline of Maharashtra of protection and conservation of turtle. Okay, everyone read this lesson and write the hard words meaning. Okay, thank you.